This is Berk. It's gloomy, rainy, and cold. And that's our good weather. Of course, we're not known for our climate. We are known for our dragons. And yeah, they used to be a big fire-breathing pain in the neck. But we've worked through our differences, and now dragons and Vikings are the best of friends. I guess you could say we live in harmony. We live together and work together. And dragons even raise their young here in our brand new dragon hatchery.
a dangerous dragon who eats against off Berk. It's untrainable.
Wait, Gobber. Every dragon can be trained.
Not this one.
Hold it! Hold it! That's just making it worse. Let the dragon go.
What? You want us to let this beast go?
Yes.
You're gonna walk up to that murderous reptile without a muzzle?
Yes.
Okay, good luck.
Don't worry about me. My friend and I here are just going to have a nice little chat. Easy there. Easy now.
Get back!
Gobber, what are you doing?
That beast is out of control!
Never happened before.
Contain this beast!
Wait, Gobber, no!
Sorry, lad, this one's too dangerous!
But I can do this!
Your father would have understood! He's your chief! You have to keep the village safe!
Maybe Gobber's right. Maybe it is an untrainable dragon.
Hiccup, you can't give up now. The village needs you, and if you can't tame that dragon, Gobber and the villagers will kill it.
You saw what happened. I can't do it. I was wrong.
What about Toothless? Everyone thought that training a dragon, any dragon, was impossible. But you trained the most impossible dragon of all, a night here.
One, ouch. And two, this dragon is different. Look at what happened. It almost burned down the entire village.
But only almost. Hiccup, remember when you trained the Scaldron? No one thought that could be done. Scaldrons were the terror of the sea. Everyone was afraid of them. But you did that!
That was last year. Maybe I've lost the knack of training dragons.
Hiccup, I was the first to believe in you. And now it's time for you to believe in yourself, too. That dragon needs you. And if you could train or fly with the
Any dragon can be trained. I can't give up on this untrainable dragon.
I don't remember butterflies.
You know who loves butterflies? Dragon babies.
The hatchery.
Slowly, softly, finding the wings of a new start.
Eggshells.
But where's the baby?
Oh, look! Slow, slow. Come on, little guy. Slow, high.
He's already flying.
Watching the
Look, there's another one.
That's it! Just follow the butterflies! So many little dragons to train!
Take heart, take flight, so much to see from the heights.
You know, really like
More butterflies.
Soaring, flying around the night sky, floating, sailing, a new day is coming to life. Soaring, flying around the night sky, floating, sailing, a new day is coming to life.
Wait, this little one is missing out on all the fun.
it sure doesn't look like it belongs to any of our dragons.
No, it doesn't.
That's because it isn't from our dragons. Come on!
Release the dragon.
Why?
We need to return the egg to the mother.
Mother?
That dragon's a female, and we believe this egg belongs to her.
That's a pretty strong bone, here, ain't it, child?
There's nothing stronger.
No wonder you couldn't train her.
Yeah, she's only trying to protect her child.
You would have made your father proud if I...
You know, Gobber, I was never afraid of him.
I think celebrations and all. Eh? Children.
Well, Mama Dragon, welcome to the family.
Here we are, together we stand. Every step together we're strong. Forever.
We still have a lot to learn from one another. But one thing's for sure, life is better here in Berk because we have